guys, good morning. I am here in my garden again. I have to pull the weeds and clean the garden. Look. So I can go there and clean. So just watch me. I will put this one here. Cleaning the garden. I am just using this shovel because my husband is busy and I cannot use the rototiller that's big, and I need him to start it, so he's busy, so just use that for the meantime. I just finished spraying this melon because there are some bugs I found yesterday. My husband said I have to spray, so I did spray them so that the bugs will stay away. There are lots of flowers in there. Lots of flowers. And I have another little one there. Do you see that? Little one there. Oh, yay. And I have another one here. That one. That's bigger now and lots of flowers. So I need to spray them. Lots of flowers. I hope I will get more or lots of fruits. And here too. Lots of flowers. That one too. And these are my corn. That one. Corn. And this is the yellow zucchini that I have. I have two plants of yellow zucchini. The other one is this one. I have also fruits now. See? So I have the squash there, the cucumber here. I have lots of cucumber. Oh, then I have small fruits already coming up. I'm so excited that I said those are all zucchini. No, cucumber. Zucchinis, this is squash. This is squash. I have already one there, squash, and the flower there. And that is another squash. And my tomatoes. Oh, tomatoes are starting to have fruits now. Those are my tomatoes. That one and that one. Those are tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes. That one. And the beans there. My peas are not good, so. And the onions that I have to clean up, but I started cleaning. These are the peppers. Peppers, and the onions. I started yesterday cleaning, and that one will be cleaned. And the last one is I have this sweet potato. I have the spinach. I have the lemongrass. The lemongrass is still small. Eggplant. I have the eggplant. And this one, green onions. Just big, very big. Okay. So those are the things I'm going to show you now. Okay, bye bye guys. Bye. Bye guys. Bye bye. Bye guys. Love you. Bye.